All right, guys, Zach Simonson here with Precision Auto Glass. We're in our Layton shop. We've also got a Centerville one here in Utah. Today we're working on a 2015 Audi Q5 sunroof replacement and also the sunroof shade replacement, which are super tricky on these ones and they have lots of problems if you've looked online. We get a lot of customers ask us kind of what the process is, how do you actually change them, how do you fix them, and it's kind of a sight to see. So I'm going to have Chris here explain to you exactly kind of what goes into doing this type of job.
Also, on these Audis, it's actually a pretty common problem for their sun visors to get jammed up. You know, if your kids snag them or hit them.
So we also had cloth sun visor on these.
Yeah, it's
so
a
there's
thin,
just real thin, rolls up in the back, and they're super easy to damage. So if you have one of these at home, do not touch your sun visor with your hands or your kids. But if you do, call us, we'll fix it for you.
yeah, it's not really too big of a deal. I mean, you just, for starters, you take off both sun visors, the center upper instrument cluster and sunglass holder with the lights, all four of the handles, the clothes hangers, the A, B, and C pillars. And then you got to work on the sunroof. That's before I even get to start working on the tricky stuff, you know, so.
The reason we drop headliners for two reasons. If this one you have to, but a lot of places out there will try to cut corners, not drop it, throw the glass in, and then you have rattly roof syndrome. Everywhere you turn, the glass is rolling to one side, rolling the back. The bad part about that is the glass actually will get stuck in your track, do damage to the track, and also keep it from your sunroof sliding properly. And then you've got a whole nother set of problems, and you're worse off, you know, now than you were in the beginning. So we always drop them, clean the glass, do it right. So.
Yeah, time to put her all back together. So, let the fun begin. They're fun ones. I mean, it's no big deal. But clear your schedule.
Give yourself about a week if it's your first time.
Yeah.